Hi, it's Dave from Airpark Living. I was sitting here in my studio office. It's on top of my hangar house where I live. And I heard the familiar sound of round engines. Looked outside and saw a beautiful, beautiful B-25 in the pattern. Putting his gear down, he landed. Of course, I grabbed my camera. I'm a 59-year-old little kid. Pedaled down there as quick as I could to take a look at the airplane, and they were very gracious. They're passing through town. The owner's brother lives in the area. They're going to spend some time with him. They were just up at Jumbo Air earlier today. But anyway, got a little footage here for you. Walk around in the airplane, a little bit of look on the inside, and the owner even let me climb inside and sit in the pilot seat for a minute. But anyway, I just want to share the adventures of Airpark Living with you, with Dave. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like what I'm bringing you so far, there's a lot more to come. Hit the like button and subscribe to Airpark Living. Thanks. Hope you enjoy the B-25.